as I told, today we are going to learn new rhyme. आज हम एक नई कविता सीखने वाले हैं. उस कविता का नाम है मेरी नैया. I am so sorry because of the power cut. I could not take your class. I want to teach you this rhyme and even I want you to know how to make paper boat. So आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम सबसे पहले एक नई कविता सीखेंगे. उस कविता का नाम है मेरी नैया. गुड आफ्टरनून चिल्ड्रन, म्यूट योर बटन. और उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? एक प्यारी सी बोट बनाएंगे. ठीक है? First, you all have to sit properly, fold your hand. Okay, now it's a rhyme time. Okay, ये एक कविता का पीरियड है. So now all the children stand up. Now all the children stand up. I want to see all my children. Yes, now I will check whether you are standing or not. Very good. Stand. I'm seeing Sahash. Very good. Very good. Chetan Krishna, Chetan Sai, stand up. Sudiksha, stand up. Some children they are standing and some still they are sitting. Very good. Sanvi. Very good, Sanvi. Why here two are there? Okay. Very good. Stand up. We are going to do this rhyme. Excellent, children. Very, very good. Rohan, stand up, Rohan. Rohan, I'm watching you. Stand up fast. Rohan, stand up. I'm seeing you. What are you doing? So, children, now we are going to start our मेरी प्यारी नैया. मेरी means my. मेरी means my. नैया means boat. What is नैया? नैया means boat. Okay? नैया means boat. मेरी नैया. मेरी means my. Naiya means boat. Okay? Now we will learn one rhyme first. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको. Who is Nani? Nani is your maternal mother. Your mama's mama is your नानी. In Hindi we used to say नानी. हम हिंदी में नानी बोलते हैं और वो होती कौन है? आपकी मम्मी की मम्मी. वो आपकी नानी है. नानी ने क्या दी मुझे लाकर? यस, नानी ने मुझे क्या लाकर दी? एक नैया. नानी दी. दादी इज डिफरेंट. दादी. Yes, now listen. Dadi is different. Dadi is your father's mother, your grandmother, and Nani is your maternal mother. Your mama's mummy is Nani. Your daddy's mummy is your Dadi, not Nani. Okay? Now, नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको. नानी gives me something. What? छोटी सी कागज की नैया. What is कागज? कागज means paper. नैया means boat. Nani gives me one paper boat. Okay? Now do the action. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको छोटी सी कागज की नैया. All the children do. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको छोटी सी कागज की नैया. दादा बैठे. Who is दादा? Your grandfather. Your grandfather comes and sit in that नैया. दादी बैठी. Your grandmother also comes and sit on this नैया. दीदी बैठी. दीदी is your sister. Sister also comes and sit on this नैया. बैठे भैया. Your brother also comes and sit on this नैया. दादा बैठे. दादी बैठी. दीदी बैठी. बैठे भैया. लगी तैरने झट पानी में. Now that my paper boat start moving on in that water. Okay? लगी तैरने झट पानी में. छप 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 मेरी नैया. When the boat is moving, the sound of chop chop is coming. Okay? Again we all will do. 1, 2, 3. Start. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको छोटी बैठे भैया, लगी तैरने झट पानी में, छप 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 मेरी नैया, छप 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 मेरी नैया. Again children, you all have to do, okay? 1, 2, 3. Start. When we will do this action, that means Nani ne di lakar mujhko. Nani gives me one small paper boat. Nani ne di lakar mujhko choti. Choti means small. छोटी सी कागज की नैया. Dada बैठे. In that नैया who comes? Dada, your grandfather. दादा बैठे, दादी बैठी, दीदी बैठी, बैठे भैया, लगी तैरने झट पानी में, लगी तैरने झट पानी में, छप 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 मेरी नैया, छप 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 मेरी नैया. Now we will learn how to make one paper boat, and again we are going to do this run. Okay children, now I am teaching you. You all be ready with your paper. First show me this paper, every one of you. I am watching everyone. Sit down now. You all can sit. Now sit down. We all will make. Show me your paper everyone. Very good. Very good. Children are ready to do this activity. Very good. Minakshi, where is your paper? Show me a sheet of paper. Any paper you can take, beta. If it is not there, you can even take newspaper sheet. Okay? Take whatever paper you have. Or you can take from your old notebook. Just take one paper. That also you can do. So who is that? Miduna, where are you? I'm seeing your cupboard. Sanvi, where are you? Yes, they went to take the paper. Very good. Sritika, where are you? Minakshi, show me the paper. Manicharan, yes, sit down Manicharan. Minakshi, Mahalakshmi, show me the paper. Sritika, come fast. Be ready with your paper. Wow, children are ready. Pranav, show me the paper. Very good, Dhriti. Dhriti, now be ready with the paper and mute your button, Dhriti. Ready with the paper and mute your button. Any paper, whatever paper you have, you can take. Any paper you can take. Okay, Nihan, switch on the camera. Vedansh, switch on the camera. I can't see you. I want all the children to sit. Yes, newspaper you just cut in one sheet. Okay, Dhriti. Vedansh, yes, switch on the camera and show me the paper. Nihant, you also. Switch on the camera. I want to see all the children when they are doing the activity. Very good. Now children, what you are going to do is, we all are going to make paper boat. First, keep your paper like this and fold in half. See here. Fold this paper in half. Only you have to fold. See my paper. My paper was earlier like this. I just kept the middle part like this and press it. Now this is the fold, two folds. Here it is one fold only. Okay, first do this. Fold it. Fold it children. Now again you have to fold like this. Again you have to fold. It should be a four fold. Again you have to fold, and now your paper should be like this. See here, again I will open the paper for you. Here paper earlier it was like this. I just kept like this. Okay. Again from the middle I did like this. Now my paper is this. Now my paper is this. Show me fast children. After doing this, I want to see your paper. Very good. Children are so smart. Saharsh, how is your paper? Saharsh, how is your paper? No need to open your button. Only you show the paper. Show the paper. No, your paper is not correct. First you have to fold the paper into half. Fold your paper. See, your paper you keep here. Now fold it into half. From middle, fold it. No, that is the wrong way. Diagonally you should not do. Yes. Now again fold it and make it into 4 parts. Again fold. From middle again fold. Very good. Excellent. So children, 4 folds should be there. You can see 1 paper, 2 paper, 3 paper and 4. Count your paper when you are folding. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now children, I hope you all are done with this. Now open like this. Did you open? Now see here. Can you see middle one line here? When you are folding the paper and open, middle one line you can get one line. आप बीच में एक line देख सकते हैं. Now from here, like an aeroplane, you have to fold it. Children, I am just trying long back. I just made a boat. So I am also trying like you. So you have to fold. I am just folding and I will show you. Like an aeroplane, you have to fold. Can you see? See here. See, earlier your paper was like this. Now open this half and with this line you have to make like this. Your paper should not overlap like this. It should come on this line only. Like an aeroplane, you can be able to see like an aeroplane. See my paper. Earlier it is like this. Earlier 4 folds were like this. Now I opened till here. I fold one side with this line and again another side with this line. My paper is not overlapping one paper. Can you see like an aeroplane? Yes, are you done children? Are you all done? Yes. Now you can see down. Okay. Okay children, very good. Now you can see here back 2 paper. 1 paper here and 1 back. So first 1 paper you have to fold inside here like this. Fold 1 paper on this. See, up first front and back paper back side you have to fold. See, I am showing you. Here first paper you turn upside and back paper you turn back side. Now your paper can be like this. Can you see your paper in this way? Do and show me children. Very good. Oh, very good Arya. Very good Meenakshi. So children are doing very good. Oh, super. Miduna, Surya Sakit. Leena, where are you? Sritika, do better, do. Try. Wow, Rohan, very good. Children, do fast and show me. Yes, it's look like in hat also. Very good. Advait, show me the paper. Switch on your camera. Nihant, Manicharan, switch on the camera. So children are very much ready with their half boat. Now, what you have to do? See here, 1 paper you fold inside and this paper also inside. And last paper no need to fold. You can see here, this front part which is coming I just kept inside. This also I kept inside. Now your paper you can see like this. Done? Are you done? Just the front part, keep it inside under this. Keep it inside so that you can't see that. Now keep your paper like this and open it from here. Can you open the paper? See. Can you open? Open Open your paper and open it, and now you have to press here. Now you can see the duck mouth. Quack, 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 quack. Fast, open it. See from here, once you open, you just keep like this and turn it and keep in your hand. Quack, 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 quack. Fast. Quack, 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 quack. Fast. Keep your paper in your hand and do. Over. Are you done till here? Are you done till here? Yes, again I am showing. See here. Okay, now see here. Earlier your paper is like this. Okay? Yes? Now I am keeping my hand like this and I am opening. Children, mute your button. Now I am opening the paper. When I will open, I will simply join these two ends. I am showing it again. You are not keeping your button in mute. Now see here. Till here you have done right. You already show me the paper. Till here. Yes, some of you, I know you got it, but some still they are facing problems. So I am explaining to them. Okay. So children, till here it is very much done with you. Okay. Now you have to just hold like this and open this. When you will open, you just join these two ends. Join and press it. Press it. Now hold your hand like this. See, this is like the duck mouth. This is like duck mouth. Now show me your paper. I want to see everyone's paper. Very good. Children, you're done. Yes, I can see. Yes, I can see children are ready. So children, I'm watching each and every one. I'm coming to you all. I can see mostly children, they are done with their activity. Yes, very good. Children, if you will listen to my instruction, you can do very fast. See, mostly the children, they have done. I will show, let other children should complete and once again I will do. Okay. So those who are facing problem, let other children should do because half of the class is already done. So children, till here I showed you before. Again I am just keeping till here because till here everyone did. See, earlier your paper is like this. Now, children, I am showing again. No, starting now I can't show you. Maybe you joined the class little late. So till last you have to wait because children they are ready till here. So they want to finish their board. Okay. So now once I will finish again I will open this paper and I will show you. So you have to wait for your turn that time. Okay. Because your all friends are ready till here. Now children till here open this page. Open this and touch here. You have to join, you have to just touch here and press this paper. Now hold your hand here. You can see mouth open. Okay. Now your paper is ready. I know I have seen everyone is ready with this sheet. Now here you turn back side. Turn this paper here and this paper opposite here. See, I am showing you. Don't worry, I will show you. See, this part, up part, one you keep here and another you keep back side. Again you can see one open mouth. Till here you have done. Now you can get two here. One you press back side and one front side. Okay? Are you done till here? Now again you keep your hand like this. You can see. Open. Again you can open. Yes? Again open and join this two. Now keep like this. Now keep like this. The front open part here, down is this. You can keep your paper like this. And now hold this. This too, open, 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 open. When you will open, you can see your nice boat. You have to adjust your boat. You have to give a shape to your boat. Okay, this is your boat. See, my boat is ready. My boat is ready to go in the water. See, my boat is very much ready. You have to just give a shape to your boat. Just give a shape to your boat. See, my boat is ready. It is ready to go. Now, those who have done, show me your boat. Wow, so good. Very good, Saharsh. Very good, Geetika. Very good, Srinidhi. So, I have seen all the children. They are ready with the boat. Wow, Chetan Krishna, show me. Wow, so good. Very good, excellent. Arya, very good, Arya. Meenakshi, excellent. Sudiksha, children, now mute your button. I am coming to everyone to see the boat. Now, Sudiksha, show me your boat. Wow, Sudiksha, very good, excellent. Miduna, show me your boat. Okay, no problem. So next time you can try. Okay, Miduna, your boat is little different. You have to just make it properly from this side. From this two side you have to make properly. Rest all you have done good. Now Rohan, show me, very good. Meenakshi, excellent. Surya Sakit, excellent. Very good. Pranav, show me the boat. Very good, Rohan. Pranav, show me your boat. Pranav, show me your boat. Children, now time is running. It's 40 minutes, children. Okay. So some children are still sitting with the paper. Only John is there. What happened, John? Wow, children are ready with the board. Superb. So children, now keep your board and rest all the children. Don't worry. I will send the video. After seeing that, again you have to take one sheet of paper and you have to make your board. Now keep your board with you and you have to do that rhyme. 1, 2, 3, start. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको छोटी सी कागज की नैया. अगेन डू. नानी ने दी लाकर मुझको छोटी सी कागज की नैया. दादा बैठे, दादी बैठी, दीदी बैठी, बैठे भैया. लगी तैरने झट पानी में, लगी तैरने झट पानी में. छप 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 मेरी नैया, छप 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 मेरी नैया. So this is the rhyme I already sent in the WhatsApp group. You have to see again and you have to learn that rhyme, children. Okay? And keep your boat in your hand. Keep your नैया in your hand. अपनी नैया हाथ में रख के फिर आपको rhyme सीखनी है. ठीक है? Now all the children, what you have to do is